How to make money on crypto.com without investing. You do not have to deposit, you do not have to invest to make money for free on crypto.com. So if you do not have crypto.com app, check the link in the description, the second link in the description. Click on that link, create an account and verify your information. Just have to create an account and verify your information and do what I'm gonna show you today and make money without investing, guys. So this is so easy, this is so simple, guys. So before I start, I'd like to say shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you didn't subscribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, and on my next video you'll get a shout out. So guys, let's say now you're done, right? Like, you create an account, you verify information. The link is in the description. Click that link, use my link, and you'll get free $35. So after you verify information, do this, right? Do this, click on mission, right? Click on mission, and then okay, let me wait right here. Click on mission and click on unlock. You can see here, right? Daily, right? Click on unlock. So you can see there I already have 6 diamonds in the vault, right? In vault. So if you need more diamonds, do this, right? Do these steps. You can buy and sell, but then as I said, you do not have to buy it. You can use this strategy. You can use this strategy, and after that you can click the on store, right? Store. Okay, now just have to go to store, right? So now go to store, guys. So maybe if you need jerseys, you can select jerseys. You need socks, you need cap, you need UFC if you're a UFC fan. So what I do on this page, I click on mystery box. So I'm gonna spend 25 diamonds, right? 25 diamonds. Click on it. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, I'm gonna click on redeem. Click on redeem. Okay, guys. Okay, click on redeem. We're waiting for it. Okay, let's see. Okay, now I have 5.8 crowns, right? Okay, let me redeem another one, right? I'm gonna click goes ahead. You can see I'm left with 31. I'm gonna redeem. I'm gonna redeem again. I won 5.2. So now let's go to withdraw. So you can see that I have 11. So now click on withdraw. You can withdraw all of them. I'm gonna withdraw them. Confirm. Okay, now I'm done. So now they transfer them to my Cron wallet. So now go back. Go back again and click on accounts. Click on accounts, then click on crypto wallet. Okay, I'm gonna click here, right? Cron. Here's Cron. So you can see previous transactions I bought. I used 338. Okay, the supercharge. Okay, mission rewards. So you can see the 1, 6, 11. So guys, after you redeem them, then you can sell them. After you sell them, then you can withdraw that money. This is all on how to make money on crypto.com without investing, guys. This is so simple, this is so easy, guys. If you like this video, please make sure you hit that like button. And if you didn't subscribe, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now so you can reach